Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Adrien Guichaoua. I'm a director of the French office at reframe.food.
So, Adrien, today you presented, you were a moderator at the
Yeah,
panel,
yeah.
and I was wondering what key messages you took from it and what was important.
It was a panel on digital innovation ecosystem development in the agri-food sector. So it's quite a complex topic because we have a lot of tools, a lot of projects, a lot of policies that are going on and trying to move forward the whole society, the research and innovation community and the industry into a digital transition. So the key messages was that there is a lot of tools. It was quite challenging. It takes time to put all dimensions together, regional scale, national scale, European scale, all actors together. But at the end, we are launching a trend which might be successful in the coming months, years, and decades.
Okay. Now that you mentioned that, I was wondering if you could let us know what you're hoping for Synergy Days 2026.
2026.
Yes.
Okay, I hope even more projects, even more newcomers, because we have seen in the audience that there is some old traveler of Synergy Days, but also quite a lot of new faces. So it would be nice to open up also the community with more industrial partner, more farmer representative organization. So to make it even more open and that with a wide representativeness of all the ecosystem. And yeah, that's it.
Okay. So, if you described Synergy Days in three words, what would they be?
Okay, I could say synergies, but it's too easy.
Right, yes.
So I would say collectiveness, web or spider, because it's also a way to build up a web and to put all organizations connected together. And last word is friendly, because also year after year we are building trust, confidence, and the mood is really good and friendly.
Okay. And one last question. How are you feeling when you are presenting or being a moderator, etc.?
I was feeling good. You always a bit stressed the first 1 or 2 minutes when you arrive on the stage. But after that, yeah, it's quite a good experience. I'm natural born for that, I would say, because I like to talk, I love to play with the audience, and it's also scientifically related to my area and my topic of social science innovation process. So I was quite comfortable and even a bit frustrated that it was only 1 hour because I could talk about it during days.
It would be great if it was for days. Okay, thank you very much, Adrien.
Thank you.